Just wanted to share this wheel with you. I'm making a 30 tooth gear wheel there, look, and you can see I've started to cut it. So the shaft there, that piece, was a car suspension leg. So that's all that was, and I machined it. Once you get inside, they're not too bad to machine. In this end, I drilled and tapped it 6mm into the actual shaft. On the other end, I put a 8mm, turned it down to 8mm so I can slide this gear wheel on. And that's the fixture. So it's dead easy to make. Spring-loaded indexer, and that will shoot out. I can do 127 teeth on a big one, so that slides right back into there. So that will come right back in there, so you can get the bigger gear wheels on. And those are the gear wheels off of the lathe. So that one there is a 30 tooth, and that's what I got the other end. Just to make it easy for yourself, measure the outside of that, and that will give you that one. And this is a copier, which it copies exactly what you put on the other end. But you can cheat, and you could put an 80 tooth on, like this one. So I've used that many a time, put 80 teeth on, and then I've just divided them teeth in between, so I could make a smaller gear wheel. Or yeah, that's so I get the smaller gear wheels that I want. So if I want odd numbers, that's how I do it. So there we are. So if you buy a cutter like I bought there this time, it's the first time I bought one of these, but the pressure angle for that is 20 degrees. So this is Dave signing off. We'll catch you all on the flip side. Byesy byes, wish we gone. Don't forget the bits at the bottom. Thumbs up and subscribe. I'll have some more for you later. Something different. Byesy bye. We're gone.